Hey everyone, welcome to App and Web Workshop. Today I'm showing you how to find nearby friends on Facebook. Open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're on the homepage, tap the search icon in the top right corner. Type in the name of the person you're looking for, then tap on the People section at the top. Now, tap the filter icon beside the search bar. This is where you can search Facebook friends by location. Select City from the filter options. Choose the specific city you want to search in from the list provided. Next, tap on Friends and select Anyone to broaden your search for nearby Facebook friends. Tap Show Results at the bottom. Facebook will now display all people with that name who live in your selected city. Scroll through the results to find the exact person you're looking for. Once you find them, tap on their profile to view more details or send the friend request. And that's how you find nearby friends on Facebook using location filters. Thanks for watching.